This onboarding video is made from a boring employee handbook. No filming, no studio, and no manager reciting the same thing for the 100th time. And when a policy changes, I can update one section without redoing all of it. This right here is how most companies still onboard people. A handbook nobody finishes, a folder full of documents, and a manager repeating the same thing every single time somebody new joins. But here you can see, this is portraying the same information, but it's giving a completely different experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you why HeyGen is one of the best AI video generators for onboarding. And we're going to turn one basic handbook into a complete branded onboarding video from start to finish. And stick around because that part actually makes it feel like this is for your business, not just a generic AI template. And it's one of the most important things, and a lot of people end up skipping it. But now let's get right into it. I'm going to be starting with Video Agent. This is the fastest path when you already have source material, but you don't want to start making everything from scratch, because building everything scene by scene is a long and hard process. For this walkthrough, I'm going to be making a first week onboarding video for a fictional product management company. I've got the employee handbook, the approved policy language, product screenshots, and the brand assets all ready to go. And I'll just drop those reference files right in next to the prompt. You can add images, videos, or any documents that need to show up in the finished piece. The important thing is just telling Video Agent exactly how you want it to use them. Follow the handbook for facts, use the screenshots and brand assets for visuals, and so on. And that's the moment really worth paying attention to. One document in, a structured first draft coming out. And a fast note before we go any further, you just saw me give a raw handbook to Video Agent, and that's definitely the quickest route and probably what I would use for your first draft. But if your wording has to be approved first for any number of reasons, maybe legal or compliance, benefits or security, I'd recommend writing the script in a doc first, then getting the sign off for it, and then pasting it into Video Agent. It's the same exact process, just with one extra step. Just pick between these two options depending on how locked in your wording has to be. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using a pre-approved script with the handbook and screenshots as reference. But now before we touch the avatar or the animation, one rule matters more than anything else in this workflow. Every tool name, deadline, link, security requirement, and contact detail has to match the source. Check it once and check it properly. I'd also swap vague language for clear actions. Not something like complete your setup soon. Say what to complete and when to complete it by. But now once you have everything loaded into Video Agent, you can go ahead and click generate. And now it's starting to build the first draft of the video for you. But now here's the step that most people just end up skipping. And it's the key difference between an AI made this and my company made this. Once the script is approved, I open the video's draft in AI Studio. Now I've got control over the presenter, the voice, scenes, text, media, and anything else you could want to change. For a general tools tutorial, a public avatar is perfect. Fast, polished, and it doesn't have to be a specific person. But for the welcome, I'd use an avatar of the founder, HR lead, or a team manager. The employee recognizing someone who's greeting them instantly makes it a lot more personal. And you can also use different presenters across the series if you want. Just don't randomly switch them inside one lesson. But now, the change I promised you in the beginning, apply the brand system from the top of AI Studio. The approved logo, colors, fonts, medias, all at once. And that is the exact moment it stops looking like a template and actually starts looking like a part of the employee experience. And it keeps every future module visually consistent. For the welcome and the recap, I keep the presenter big because those are the real human connection moments. But the second somebody has to follow a software step or a screenshot becomes the main focus, I shrink the avatar into the corner or even drop it entirely so it doesn't cover any of the interface. Then crop the exact part of the video that they need and add instruction, such as activate your account, enable two-factor, or join the team workspace. One scene, one action. Way easier to follow than a talking head with a big wall of text. Now, the delivery. Onboarding should sound welcoming and confident, not like an ad and not like somebody reading a policy document to you. What I'm really trying to say is preview the voice before you generate your video. If a line sounds rushed, shorten it. And if a specific instruction really matters, give it its own line and a little bit of breathing room. Make sure to check company names, product names, and abbreviations one at a time, because those are the most common things that the AI voice can trip up on. But the payoff? Every new hire hears the same exact clear explanation every time. And right here is why I would never dump the entire thing into a 40-minute long video. I break it into modules, and watch why that matters. If a process changes, I update that module and regenerate that section. The rest of the library does not move. No refilming, no waiting on a manager to record another take, week, and no outdated instructions still being used. That's the whole advantage in one click. And once the first version is done, it's a template for the rest of your library. Duplicate the structure, swap the script and screenshots, keep the presenter or the voice, and of course the branding and the layout are locked. And now you can run one core series that everyone gets. Then you can bolt on role-specific modules. Sales gets a CRM workflow, support gets a ticketing process, and engineers get the dev setup. Everybody gets the same company basics, and nobody has to sit through training that has nothing to do with their job. But now, are you hiring across regions? You can translate the finished video instead of filming it in every new language. HeyGen translates the spoken delivery while keeping the presenter's natural voice and even syncing their lips to the speech. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because there is a lot more coming very soon.
Asegúrate de suscribirte al canal porque se vienen muchas más cosas muy pronto.
One very important thing to remember about this though, translation only handles the spoken content. Text baked into screenshots or graphics will not be translated. That has to be localized separately. But now everybody, here's the final result. Welcome to Flow Pilot. Your first week is designed to give you the access, context, and support you need to make a confident start. Before your first day, activate your employee account, create a unique password, and enable multi-factor authentication. If an invitation is missing, contact People Operations. Inside the new hire launchpad, you'll find your welcome session, product overview, role training, security module, and manager check-ins. Every task should have one owner, a due date, and a clear outcome. If something blocks your progress, flag it early. Before Friday ends, activate every required account, enable multi-factor authentication, join the Launchpad project, complete security basics, and confirm next week's priorities with your manager. Ask questions, document your decisions, and keep your work visible. As always, welcome to Flow Pilot. We are so glad to have you here. A new hire is getting their clear welcome. They see exactly which tools to open, they know exactly what to complete in week 1, and they finish with a checklist that they can actually use. And it all started as a static handbook. Now it's a branded, presenter-led video every new hire can watch on demand. And the real win isn't just how fast we made it, it's how easy it is to keep it current. One process changes and you update the scene. That's it. So the workflow is incredibly simple. Start with approved material, let Video Agent build the first structure, check every important detail, customize the presenter, branding, visuals, and delivery all in AI Studio, then publish one clean module at a time. And that right there is what makes HeyGen one of the best AI generators for onboarding videos. It doesn't just make you one, it gives you a repeatable system that stays consistent as your company grows. But now, of course, everybody, HeyGen is linked down in the description below for you to try out yourself. Why not try and take one document from your company and turn it into a module? And in the next video, I'm going to be taking this exact same handbook and building a role-specific version for a sales team in under 10 minutes. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out.